Hello, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm excited to share a demo reel showcasing a pet project I've been working on over the past few weeks. It highlights the early stages of developing a real-time strategy, RTS, game, and the many subsystems required to create a viable product. So let's dive in and take a look. I'd love to hear your comments and feedback. Base building. In this demonstration, we'll explore some core aspects of creating an RTS game. One of the most critical components is base building. This involves allowing players to choose and place structures like command centers, barracks, and other essential facilities. While placing structures, we must account for terrain elevation and ensure smooth adjustments, like reapplying textures, clearing trees, and preparing the area for gameplay. These mechanics enhance the gameplay experience and add depth to the RTS genre. Unit creation and management. Once a structure is built, players can create unique units associated with that structure. Effective unit management is another major aspect of RTS gameplay. For instance, after progressing in the game, we can construct a war factory, which unlocks the ability to produce heavy vehicles like transporters, tanks, and rocket launchers. Each unit type has distinct features and performs specific roles, adding strategic variety. Advanced visualizations. Another exciting feature is the ability to visualize units in dense or camouflaged areas, such as forests. We've implemented an X-ray vision system using post-processing techniques to help players identify their troops even when their color schemes blend with the environment. This feature ensures players can maintain situational awareness in challenging conditions. Sniper and combat mechanics. We've also simulated snipers, who can engage enemies from long distances, and other units like Marines and shock troopers, which are more effective at closer ranges. Vehicles, like tanks and transporters, provide additional strategic options for movement and attack. For example, transporters can carry up to 5 units, allowing for faster deployment to critical areas. The rocket launcher unit, while powerful, must be within range to target enemy structures effectively. When it fires, it delivers a spectacular display as the target goes up in flames. Proof of concept and future plans. This demonstration showcases many of the foundational subsystems and serves as a proof of concept for this RTS game. While the project is still in its early stages, it's shaping up to be something special. In upcoming sessions, I'll guide you through building these systems step by step. We'll also explore extending the game with NPCs and even transforming it into a multiplayer experience. Thank you for joining me on this journey. I'm excited to continue developing this project and turning it into a fully functional, feature-rich game. Stay tuned for more updates, and don't forget to share your thoughts and feedback in the comments.
See you next time.